Alright you guys, Johnny here, G-Force Monkeys as usual. I told you guys I had an unboxing for my Facebook followers at least, and here it is. What do we got here? We ordered some stuff from Grind Hard Plumbing Co. They had a deal going on their website we took advantage of. We also got something for Garrett, who's our cameraman right now, and he's very excited right now about what's inside of this box. He has no idea what's in here, but I told him that there's something in here for him. So, without further ado, let's open this puppy up. If you guys haven't checked them out, Grind Hard Plumbing, these guys are pretty cool. They're out of Idaho. I like them a lot. I think they're pretty awesome. What's in this box? Here we go. I did get one. Check that out. That is cool, right? It's really cool. I like it. Alright, Grind Hard Plumbing, you guys. Let's check that out. Okay. Here we go. Hey, look at that. T-shirts. Very nice.
Oh, it's the Barbie Jeep.
Here you go.
That's so cool.
Very nice shirt. You guys, firsthand, I will tell you, the quality on this shirt, it's nice. I like it. Feels comfortable, you know? There's different t-shirts. There's like ones that are kind of hard, and you got those ones that most of us guys probably like because they're nice and soft. Well, this is the nice and soft stuff. There we go. Let me throw it on real quick. Grind Hard Plumbing. So that's Cinderella, right? Cinderella. You know, I didn't realize that we named a Super Cinderella and they had this name Cinderella. All right, let's see what else is in here. What is this?
It's either Cinderella or Snow White.
Yeah, check this out. Boom. Look at that. Small.
Oh, big.
It's for you, Gary. Here, let's flip the camera around. Yeah.
I'm on a TikTok too.
Alright. Garrett's gonna try out the Grind Hard Plumbing Co. Garrett really likes Grind Hard Plumbing, don't you, Garrett?
They're cool. Very, very cool.
He thinks they're awesome. He likes to watch them and follow them. We watch them and try to support them as much as possible. Yeah, check that out.
Grind Hard Plumbing Co.
Heck yeah, you guys, go check it out. They had these sales on these t-shirts. I think they were like 10 bucks a piece or something like that, or 15 bucks a piece.
That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. So we jumped on board with that. And then I got the kiddos.
Ooh, stickers.
One of the decals too. Here you go, buddy.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll have to get one for myself later. I thought I ordered two, but maybe I only ordered one.
It says Grind Hard Plumbing Co., not a plumbing company.
Not a plumbing company.
That's so
pretty
cool.
awesome. All right, you guys. Well, Garrett, I'm gonna let you do the rest of this. So, give us a wrap up, Garrett. What's going on? So, kind of, what do we do, and how awesome is this stuff, and how awesome is Grind Hard Plumbing Co., and all that.
They're pretty cool.
A little louder.
They're awesome.
They're awesome.
Yeah,
right.
and they do a bunch of like cool stunts in their backyard with RC cars, and this Barbie Jeep right here, they put a motor in it and it kind of
Rock.
has about 100 horsepower.
Freaking awesome. What do you think about the way that shirt feels?
It feels great. It feels better than a shirt you'd get in a store.
That's right. And you hear that, you guys. So, if you guys want to get some cool shirts with some and support a local place or a local YouTube channel, local guys, Grind Hard Plumbing Co. They're awesome. Check them out on YouTube. And they got good quality stuff. Other than that, there you guys go. I promised you an unboxing. There it is. If you guys want to send us something, you can send us, to us at P.O. Box 253, Chattaray, Washington 99003. We'll do an unboxing for you. If you have a business, we'll do it. We love doing stuff like this. And then stay tuned because we buy stuff from random businesses sometimes and get stuff to unbox to show you guys. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Love you guys. Peace out.